Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. So in this short video, inshallah ta'ala, we're going to discuss briefly the Jam' al-Taksir, the broken plurals, and its types and categories. So the Jam' al-Taksir, the broken plural, has 40 different types to it. Okay, 40 different forms. And within these 40 different forms, there are three major categories. So you have the Jam' al-Qillah, or the lesser plural. Okay, and the lesser plural refers to a plural that is between the number 3 to 10. And then you also have the Jam' al-Kathra, or the greater plural. And the greater plural refers to a number from 3, and there's actually no limit to this type of gem, this type of plural. So it could go to 1,000, or 1,000,000, or 1,000,000,000, 1,000,000,000,000. There's no ending to it. Okay, la nihaya. There's no limit for it. And the third category we have is the Jam', or the Afwan, Sighatu Muntaha al-Jumur, or the ultimate plural. And the ultimate plural is the highest form of the Jam' Taksir. There are only 2 forms in it, and is actually higher than the Jam' al-Kathra, the greater plural. Inshallah ta'ala, we'll have a separate video for that. But in this video, bi'idhnillah ta'ala, we're only going to discuss the Jam' al-Qillah, the lesser plural. Now, the lesser plural only has 4 different forms. And in this this line of poetry that we have here in the brackets, Ibn Maalik, rahimahullah ta'ala, famous grammarian of the past, he mentions them in this short line of poetry in his book Alfiyyah. So if you memorize this short line of poetry, then inshallah ta'ala you have memorized the 4 types of Jam' al-Qillah, the 4 different forms. So let's begin. Ibn Maalik rahimahullah ta'ala, he says here, أفعلة أفعل ثم فعلة ثم أفعال جموع قلة. أفعلة أفعل ثم قلة ثم فعلة ثم أفعال جموع قلة. Okay, so we have here the first form. Af'ila. So I have it, I wrote it out already. Af'ila. So from Af'ila, we have the word makanun. Makanun means place, right? The gem from place is amkinatun. Amkinatun, af'ilatun. It shares the same form. So therefore, it's considered to be Jam' al-Qillah. Likewise with su'al. Su'al means question. The gem for it is as'ilatun. As'ilatun, af'ilatun. It shares the same format. Therefore, it's a Jam' al-Qillah. And also you have the word raghifun, loaf of bread. The Jam' al-Qillah is arghifatun. Arghifatun. It shares the same format as af'ilatun. And therefore, it's going to denote a number between 3 to 10. Okay, so this is the first form that we have, af'ilatun. The second form that we have is af'ulun. Af'ulun. We have it here, af'ulun. The word rijlun, rijlun, meaning leg. The plural for it is arjulun. Arjulun. Same format as af'ulun, legs. We have the word nafsun, soul. One of the plurals is anfusun. Anfusun. It's the same plural as af'ulun. Therefore, it's considered to be Jam' al-Qillah, the lesser plural. Then in the poetry we have fi'la, thumma fi'la. Thumma fi'la. Fi'la right here. We have the word fatah, young man, young boy. The plural being fityatun. Fityatun. Okay. Therefore, it's considered to be a number between 3 to 10. So 3 to 10 young boys. And if you notice in Surah Al-Kahf, Allah actually uses the gem fitya, and not fatayan, which is another form, another gem for fatah. He uses fityatun because the number of boys, as said in tafsir, it was around the 7. Wallahu ta'ala a'lam. Allah knows best. So that's the third form. The fourth form we have here, thummata af'alun. Af'alun. So af'alun, the word ni'matun, blessing. one of the gems for it, the plural form of it, is an'amun. An'amun af'alun. It shares the same form. Likewise, sababun, meaning reason, plural or cause, is asbabun. Asbabun af'alun. They share the same format. Now, any gem, plural word, which shares the same format as one of these four plurals, they're considered to be the Jam' al-Qillah, denoting a number between 3 and 10. Now, something very important to note is that this is just a general rule, okay? This is just a general rule. There's always exceptions. Let's say, for example, if a word only has one plural, and that plural so happens to be a form of the Jam' al-Qillah. So, for example, the word, we have qalamun, okay? The word qalamun, the plural, the only plural that it has is aqlamun, okay? Aqlamun. So because the only plural is aqlamun, and it shares the same wazn or form as a Jam' al-Qillah, this gem right here is considered to work as a qillah and also a kathra, okay? Because it only has one form of a plural word, alright? It's going to work both as a qillah and also as a kathra. So it's going to denote a number between 3 to 10, and it's also going to denote a number above 10, depending on the context, okay? So, shout out to Allah, take a good look, memorize, and in the next video, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, we're going to discuss the third category, which is صيغة منتهى الجموع. سبحانك اللهم أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.